Hi everyone, this is Cheri from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop, and today I'm just going to work with a simple oval in the color Ocean from American Crafts to show you the difference between Memento ink in the color Bahama Blue I used for Ocean, using a finger dauber and pom-pom versus using Tim Holtz ink and a blending brush, and it gives you smoother edges. So the colors that I used in Tim Holtz are Mermaid Lagoon and Blueprint Sketch. And the Tim Holtz ink, it is reactive to water, which you will see in the end result. And towards the end of the video, I do show you spritzing the water on it. And for that process, you'll just need a distress sprayer. Tim Holtz makes it, or a water bottle, but one that doesn't shoot a large spray. And that's where the distress sprayer comes in handy. It has a more microfine spray. So all I did here is I took my blending brush and went with the lighter color here, Mermaid Lagoon, and I'm going around the edges of the paper and bringing it towards the middle. I want it more towards the middle, but I don't want to cover the middle with the paper. And I'm going to go around the outermost edge with the darker color, which is the Blueprint Sketch. Now, you can use one color, you can use both colors, you can use as many colors as you'd like because they're creamy and very blendable. As the video progresses, you'll see once I use both colors to blend even more, it's just such a pretty blend for water. For other things, I use it for flowers, I use it for butterflies, my water, but I definitely go to Tim Holtz for quite a few of my pieces, and this video is just for tips and tricks. It's not anything that anybody has to do. I just try to give you guys a little bit of help because I see things and I wonder, how did she make that? So I do use a glass mat. I use the 40% off coupon from Joann's. You can use a glass plate, you could use wax paper. It doesn't have to be a glass mat, it just saves the waste from losing all the ink on paper that's under the piece that you're working on. That was the distress sprayer I actually also used to clean my glass mat. You're going to hold it quite a few inches above your piece and just spritz the water, give it a moment, and then place a paper towel on top of it to soak up the water. Let your piece dry before you actually use it in your scrapbooking or your card. That way it doesn't end up warping anything it's on. And there's the final product. The one on the bottom's with water, the one on the top is without. Have a good day, guys.